I have a crack shot here. We're gonna light this last of our targets up with the pistols from the prior video. The SMIC. Sorry, Sigma, Smock. I'm getting too twisted up, but yeah. Smith & Wesson 40 caliber SW40VE Glock 22 40 calibers. Let's rock it.
Cameraman. Gotta put it in.
Pumpkin chunk and water all over me. That's awesome. Too much fun. Not really. No such thing.
Alright, I think we just freaking annihilated. I like this this one here because it stayed up for me for 4 freaking shots.
Just
no shit, just punching right on through.
Bowling pinning it.
So yeah, it was nice. And I hit it a couple times when it was on the ground.
I have a crack shot, and
cameraman.
We'll holler at you, YouTube.